Good morning, students of class 3. How are you? Today I am going to teach you a poem from your literature book. The title of the poem is Wandering Singers. This poem was written by Sarojini Naidu, a well known poetess of India. She was a well known freedom fighter. She played very important role in India's freedom struggle. The poet, the poem is about a wandering singers of ancient India. Okay, who describes the glorious glory of old cities and ancient kings of India in their songs. Okay, we will read the poem to know more about it. The poem is like this: where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street, with lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred, the world is our home. Our lays are of cities whose luster is said, the laughter and beauty of women long dead, the swords of old battles, the crown of old kings, and happy and simple and sorrowful things. What hopes shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? Where the wind calls our wandering footsteps, we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. Means the singers says that they have no permanent house. The world is their home, and all men are their relatives. Their all men, all people, all human beings are their relatives. They all are their own kith and kin. Our lays are of cities means their poem, their stories, their their songs are about the cities who lost their prosperity, who lost their luster. Luster means shining, and about the king who lost their crown, and the woman whose happiness and beauty has been disappeared. The singer describes about the glorious past of India, ancient India. Okay, they say that they have no hope together, they have no dream, they wander aimlessly here and there. Where the wind calls our wandering footsteps, we go. Means they go where their will says. No love bids us tarry. Means no love can make him stay. No love, no joy can make him wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of their fate. Okay, means this is the poem. Okay, students, today's class is over. Thank you.